What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a breakdown on how I made $4,000 trading ES and exactly how you guys can replicate my strategy step by step. If you are new to my channel, my name is Colt. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, definitely hit it. I also am on Instagram, so if you guys want to shoot me a follow and DM me and connect that way, you definitely can. And if you guys are looking for a prop firm, you guys can go to Apex Trader Funding. Once you go there, you can choose what plan you want and use this discount code and it will give you 50% off. And I now am doing live trading sessions. So if you want to trade with me every morning at 6:30 a.m. PST, Monday through Friday, click the link in the description and you can get a free 7-day trial. Now guys, without further ado, let's get in my computer and let's make some money. Alright guys, let's break down exactly how I trade, the platforms and everything that you need in order to start trading futures. A lot of you may be watching this and you're maybe doing options or forex, or you're just looking where you want to start as a trader. I'm going to give you the step-by-step process, but you guys need to follow it step by step in order to see results. I would recommend, as I'm going through this, maybe pause the video, go through and open up these accounts so it's all set up, and then come back to the video. Or you could just watch the whole video through, and then the second time you watch it, go and take notes and do all the steps. That's what I would honestly recommend doing. So the first thing that you guys want to do, with the broker that I am using Trade-O-Vate. If you guys want, you can go and open up an account with them. As you're going through the sign-up process, it's going to ask, are you a professional or a non-professional? All of you, including myself, we are non-professionals, okay? A lot of you don't have any licenses and things like that to like trade other people's money, so you're non-professional when you're signing up through the process. Once you guys go and do that, your account will get accepted. You can log in. I actually do have a video on my YouTube, and it's titled Start Trading Futures as a Beginner. If you guys want more in-depth steps on like how to link Trade-O-Vate to TradingView, you can watch that. As you guys can see too, this was my trading day today. I made $3,900 on this trade. It was a $4,000 profit, but my profit was $3,943. You guys can see there was a commission. And this is my digital trading journal, so I'm using TradeZella for that. So if you guys go there, you can sign up. I'm not an affiliate with them. I'm just making them a lot of money because literally every one of my students uses it. But it's pretty cool. You guys can see they have like a daily journal, a dashboard. Everything is on here that you guys need. These are all the platforms that it connects with. You can see Trade-O-Vate connects with it, and that's what we use. Now, let's get into the charts. This was the trade that I ended up taking today. Absolutely perfect. We'll zoom this into here, and I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process. So first off, when it comes to the pairs, once you guys get Trade-O-Vate and you link it to TradingView, once you're logged into your account, it will say Trading Panel, and you'll log in with your account, your live or demo account, whatever you're trading. Once you do that, then what you can do is you'll go and add the symbols. So you'll click Trade-O-Vate right here. You'll add the E-mini NASDAQ, that's what I trade, the E-mini S&P 500 futures, and then you're also going to add the E-mini Dow. Now this strategy that I'm teaching you guys, it works on gold, it works on crude, Bitcoin, it works on any single asset class, and it works for futures, options, forex, whatever you guys trade, this strategy will work. But that's what I really want to focus on in this video, is showing you guys the exact strategy so you can replicate it. Cool. So once you guys have that, you'll have those pairs on your watch list. We have S&P 500 ES right here. We have YM, the Dow Jones, and then we have NQ, the NASDAQ. Now, preferably, I like trading NQ. My second option is YM, and today I actually traded ES. I have not traded the S&P 500 for months, but I'm telling you, once this setup appears, you guys take it. So now let's go and let's start taking some notes. So these are going to be the basis of this strategy. So strategy, basis. Okay, and what we're going to do, let's enlarge this, go to the bigger screen. So the first one, the first thing that we need to focus on are the pairs. We just went over that. What are we trading? We're trading ES, the S&P 500, YM, the Dow Jones, and then we're also trading, and we are going to be trading NQ, NASDAQ. So those are the three asset classes that I am focused on when I am using this strategy. Second thing, what are we going to be looking at? Timing. Guys, timing is so important. Why? Because you guys want to be in the markets when there's a lot of volatility or the markets are moving. So timing, what session are we trading? We're trading the New York session, and we're trading at 9:30 a.m. EST. If you guys go to your chart right here and you click this time zone button, you can change it to UTC5 so your time is in alignment with the New York stock market. So timing, New York session, we're going to be trading at 9:30 a.m. EST. And guys, I'm usually trading for like 30 minutes a day. I don't have to sit here all day long. That 30-minute window of time every day, Monday through Friday, with 3 asset classes, the setups are going to appear. I absolutely promise you that. Okay, so timing. Then we have to look at one thing, market structure. You guys, you want to be seeing a clear up or down trend. So you guys want to be looking and you want to be seeing a clear up or down trend. Fourth, entry model. Our entry model is a fair value gap. Okay. Then let's go into logistics. Stop loss below first candle that makes the fair value gap. 6, or actually we'll go into this even more in the logistics and say TP is at previous highs, lows, at previous higher lows. So now we have all this data right here. Okay, you guys can see this is a strategy basis right here. If you guys want to take a screenshot, whatever is going to help you guys out. So now let's go into it. First thing, you guys want to get the indicator, the sessions indicator, and it should be sessions Asia, London, New York colored right here. Once you do that and you go to the settings, you only want to have New York on. I have it in this like gray color right here with the opacity very low. And you guys can see if I go to a different time frame, it deviates or shows me where the New York session is, these shaded areas right here. Okay. Also, when I'm trading and using this strategy, guys, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Now there is another indicator. We're going to get the Lux Algo fair value gap right here. This indicator is a game changer. Once you guys get it on your charts, it's automatically going to print these fair value gaps. Now we have this fair value gap right here, this rectangle. It consists of 3 candles. We have the first candle, the second candle that actually makes the gap, and the third candle that closes the gap. Now this indicator is going to print on your chart those fair value gaps. Okay, so what we're looking for in this fair value gap is 1, 2, 3 candles. Usually the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle is going to retrade into the fair value gap and give us an entry. When it hits the top of the rectangle, that's when we're going to buy. And it's vice versa for a downtrend. We have a fair value gap right here. 1, 2, 3 candles. We're focused on this rectangle right here. Look at the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th candle retrade into this area right here. And that's where we're going to be selling once it's in that rectangle right here. So going to today's trade, let me break it down for you guys. Timing. What time is this right here? This is the market open. After this candle closes, focus on the time right here. After this candle right here that I'm on closes, it's 9:30. That is the market open. It's going to start pushing up or down very, very hard. So what did I see? As price was making this higher high, I saw this fair value gap be printed right here. Now I got into this trade. You guys can see. Let me turn on my executions. I got into this trade right here. So I bought at 6,085. So 6,085 right here. Exactly where my cursor is, that's where I bought. Price was in that fair value gap. I bought right here on this candle. And then what I did is, you guys can see, as I set my position up on my chart, I had my stop loss below the first candle that made the fair value gap right here. But since we have this low, instead of me putting my stops right here to be safe, I put it right here just a little bit lower. And then for my TP, what did I do? I literally aimed for previous highs right here. And it's crazy how quick these trades play out when you're using the fair value gap. You guys can see I enter right here. So 1, 2, 3. Within 3 candles, I was able to make this trade right here, $3,900 within 3 candles. And that's the power of the fair value gap. It's like a trampoline. It goes up, you jump in the air, boom, you jump up here, and you jump even higher right here than you did the time before. That's the best analogy that I can give you guys with these fair value gaps. So that is pretty much my strategy. When it comes to market structure, I just want to be looking for higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, clear trend, up or down trend, or I want to be looking for lower lows and lower highs. So you guys kind of got to look at the market structure and be very observant of that. But I'm telling you guys right now, if you apply this strategy, everything that I gave you, and you use these notes right here, this will take your trading to new levels. I literally, this is the crazy part, is I literally gave every single one of you my strategy for free, but 99% of you aren't even going to apply it. Dude, I guarantee that there's only a couple of you that got this far into the video. There's some people that fell off within a minute or two. And it sucks because they're going to miss this information. But I'm telling you right now, if you're watching this right now, information is what changes your situation, but only if you apply it. And guys, if you need one-on-one help, I offer one-on-one help. You can book a call with me in the link in the description. We can get on a phone call. I'll see exactly where you're at with your trading, how I can help you out. I have the live trading. Like, people don't value free stuff. I give so many of my friends access to my programs. Like, my elite programs are 5, 10K. Do you think they go through it? No, because it's free. So when people ask, why do you charge money for stuff? It's like, people don't value free shit. When you put up money for something, you value it a lot more because that money that you're using, it was hard to earn that money. So therefore, your money is going into this investment. You want to use that investment that you put the money into. So guys, this is it. Check out my other videos. The past couple of videos that I have uploaded to are going over the exact strategy. So I promise, if you guys watch this video again in my last 2 videos like 10, 20 times, you'll understand my strategy 100% perfectly. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out, guys. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.